Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cake recipe at home. First, let's gather our essential tools and ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 4 large eggs. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Properly preparing your cake pans is crucial for easy release, so grease and flour them well. Now, let's create that perfect cake batter. Begin by creaming together 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter with 1.5 cups of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, alternate adding 2 cups of dry ingredients and 1 cup of milk, mixing until just combined. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the batter evenly into your 2 prepared 9-inch cake pans, filling each about 2/3 full. Place them in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in their pans for 10 minutes before gently transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. The final and perhaps most fun step is decorating. Make sure your cakes are completely cool before you even think about frosting them. This prevents melting. You can whip up your favorite homemade buttercream or use a convenient store-bought frosting. Apply a generous layer between the cake layers and all around the outside. Decorate as you wish. Then slice into 8 to 12 servings and enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.